Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with the Heart Happy Everyday Life bundle walkthrough. So I completed the whole workshop and I am just showing you what it looks like all completed. So it comes with everything you see except for the binder, but it comes with the flip flaps and the page protectors. And I'm showing you the stamp set. You can get the bundle with or without the stamp set. And I got it with the stamp set, obviously. And this stamp set's awesome. You can use it for all year long. It's not just for Valentine's Day or anything. So this is the super cute Everyday Life bundle. Or the Heart Happy Everyday Life bundle, excuse me. And I did use the mini stapler on some of the pages just to add a little something something. But how cute is this? I love the colors. Super fun. And if you haven't tried our flip flaps yet, this is a great way to see them in action and get to play with them. So be sure to comment if you have any questions. Thanks guys. Bye.